Dubai apple cake, incredibly soft, moist and tender, with juicy apples, creamy vanilla filling and amazing nutty pistachio kunafa aroma in every bite.